Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. Well, good morning, and we are now outside ready to plant our garlic. Last night I got it all soaked down with some rubbing alcohol to go ahead and get the bacteria off of the garlic bulbs. And now this morning I'm going to go ahead and plant that out for you here. The funny thing is the ground's actually frozen on top, so I had to break it with my rake a little bit, but that's okay. It'll not gonna bother the garlic. I just want to give it a nice little extra boost of fertilizer. We've had a lot of rain lately, so this is Epsoma organic fertilizer for gardens, for organic gardens. There we go, nice heavy application because garlic is heavy feeder. It's a heavy feeder, and let's mix it in real quick. Yeah, it's about 35 degrees outside here, but hey, God doesn't care, and I don't mind. It's exciting to get it in. What it does, it creates memory of, or thoughts of, nice warm summer days when it starts growing in spring, and come July it's ready to pick again. So the layout is basically you want to do about a foot between each row by about 7 inches, and so we'll go ahead and work on that. There we go. So layout, so my goal is to get five rows, so hopefully I've gone up far enough here. Every foot. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to bring this down a little further. I'm not quite at enough to get 5 feet out of this, because I'm planning on doing 10 bulbs across, and let's pull this out a little further out here. Yes, these are my raised beds. Some of my earlier videos you can go back and find where I actually talk about how how I manage these raised beds. When you look at the one that deals with fall, preparing for the fall, planting ryegrass. It's starting to come up. Not the best. Had a little problem with the seed. It's when I bought it, it was a little old, so didn't know that. But that's okay. It'll still work fine. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Close enough. Okay, beautiful. So we'll go ahead and work that in there. Go a little further out there. There we go. So let's start by simply planting, kind of mark the outsides, every foot. Alright. Actually, I think I'm going to go 11 inches, a little more room. Need that extra inch. Alright, 23, 22 plus 11 is 33. 33 plus 11 is perfect right there. That'll work. Plus 11 is 32. Okay, do the same on the other side so we can line these up. the garlic is just, I can't believe that's a full bulb of, clove of garlic. But, oh hey, they get much bigger. Have to do something different to get them smaller again. I guess that's a problem, huh? Kind of funny. Alright, 10 plus 11 is 21. Okay, that'll work. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put the bulbs between, and then I will go back and I'm going to push these down about, I'll go about 2 or 3 inches down. So the goal here is to get about 10 in between, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. That'll work. Let's pull these out the end a little further here. Okay, they're a little too close. You don't have to be this perfect with it. If some of you just want to throw them in, that's fine. I just like the nice organization of it, but also space it right, it's going to grow better too. Okay, so every 7 inches. So it was 21. And you want to make sure you plant it so the roots are down and the point is up. So 7 plus 8 is gives your brain sharp here too, thinking, getting the addition with the 7s here. 42. 7 is 49. 7 is 56. And there we go. All right. I can pretty much just go through and match these. These a little too early for simple addition, huh? So you're probably laughing at me. That's okay. We can handle it. I hope I got enough. I figured for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 across and 5 rows, so that's 50 bulbs. So hopefully that's the right amount there. Should come out. I counted them last night. Push them down a little deeper. What I do is I'll go ahead and pull the soil up taller around it so it gets the 2 inches of depth that it needs to be. We'll pull these out on the end further out here. Okay. Now these are thick neck garlic for the colder climates. It does very well. I guess you can plant garlic in the spring, but I don't know. I've always planted in the fall and done pretty well for this time of year. Look at that. That's 1 bulb. Crazy. Okay. There we go. And the next one. It's chilly out here. The reason I'm planning in the morning, I want the these soaking in the alcohol too long. Just didn't feel comfortable doing that and wait until nighttime. So I guess it would have been a little warmer in the afternoon, but oh well. Hey, we'll survive. Okay. Get my good morning stretches here. I'll hold that little one outside in case I don't need it. Oop, I kind of fell off my tracking here. All right, one more. And next year I think I'll be putting on the other side of this bed here. I'll show you the plot plans later on as I get more into the winter time, start redoing for next year. I have a plot plan I follow every year, pretty much the same thing. And we will I put peppers in that side there. Yeah, it looks like I have extra left over. Oh boy, something went wrong there with my figuring. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess I was planning on doing another row. Well, guess what? I'm going to finish this up here and add another row, but let me just show you how what I do next year. I was basically take this cultivator. So I want this stuff to be about a couple inches deep. So I'm just going to push the dirt up like that. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this a good drink of fish emulsion. I'll come back later tonight and do that. And then once the leaves start falling down, we still got a lot up in the trees there, but this is the end of October, the 25th of October. So in Zone 5, southern New Hampshire, we will then put about 2-3 inches of ground up leaves on top of here, give it a nice mulch, help hold it, keep it from getting too cold. Well, it's going to get frozen, but the key here is to keep it from getting pushed out too early by the frost going in there. Holds it back, gives the roots a good chance to get growing before the deeper freeze comes in end of December. Because the idea of garlic, you want the root system to start growing, and then it'll everything will freeze up, which is fine. It's supposed to do that. All right. Alright, well, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and fix this here. I got to add another foot to this row here. I guess I was planning on doing 60 instead of 50 bulbs. And then I can go and wrap this up. But here we go. That's planting garlic. We'll mulch those in a couple of weeks. And come next spring, we'll be checking back on this and see how it's doing. Other than that, the garden's coming along nice for the fall. I got to uncover my celery over there. Got the cold frame covered. Do it in a few minutes here. And that's late fall, middle of fall here in Simply Garden. Appreciate your viewing, and if you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get more notifications as we put on more videos. We'll continue doing more things throughout the fall here. One is going to be how to force tulip bulbs, and we're also going to be doing taking these grapevines, now that the leaves are falling off, and show how to make grapevine wreaths out of your grapevines. And have a great day.